Sembut mentirang ba kajala uba restoran tensong hakasngi balang ula pensyai ba kajing temu bantai ya ka food court ha umling Ribhoi district kalong tang ka project jingyo jingarap naga benta ka kam choa kai perthai ban penbiang ya jing don kam ba kongsan jongkin nonglet nongwan bat kam de satya kandak ba ka sarkar kala iehnoh ya jing temu ban seng ya ka full fledged facilitation center.
Number one, as far as food court is concerned, in fact, that is the only initiative taken by the tourism department to make sure that particular spot where we are supposed to have a facilitation center over there, people will automatically stop their vehicle, they'll have food. Maybe while the process of checking takes place, they need to relax themselves. Maybe they need to, you understand, the call of nature happens also. So therefore, we need to have this kind of facilities, number one. Number two, we are not at all done away with the idea of having a full-fledged facilitation center over there. We are not. The question of doing away, no, it is not there. We still continue. The only issue is when you talk about MRSSA, the issue is two. One, the amendment we passed in the assembly, we send it to the governor, and the governor again send it to the Ministry of Home Affairs, consultation, observation, discussion, and let me just tell you one thing. Last year, the Ministry of Home Affairs, they sent back to the governor with the observation. Okay, with the observation, then the governor again sent back to the government, and till today, this issue is being communicated with the Ministry of Home Affairs, and I'm very sure very soon this amendment, I think it will come to an end where the amendment will ultimately happen.
Just will there be any legal hurdles? So that should be put in place.
No, it is already there.
Proper implementation. That's what they say.
Proper implementation. Let me tell you one thing. If you talk about East Castles, we have a full-fledged district task force headed by the DC, and then I think not less than 3-4 years now, this task force is inoperative till this moment.
Sure.
And even the consultation with the Rangbashnong, with the Sinjuk, Reshnong, with different stakeholders, it is on. And with the police, because the system is already as per the act. But when you talk about setting up the gate, that center, so that is the question. That's what I'm saying. We would like to see that the amendment is true. Once the amendment is true, then we will make sure that center where in the past 5 years we set up over there, it will be further, it will be further strengthened, and at the same time we would like to see that all the facilities also are available in that place.
So
Sir, any
Met the KSU. I think CM has already explained everything, but of course it does not mean that it ends there. If they are still not clear, we are there. The door is open. We can sit down anytime, any moment.
sir, any frustrating
Because as I said to you, all the district has been directed, has been notified also to have a district task force, and this has been notified. District task force is now operative in the entire state through the deputy commissioners. See.